Hey YouTube, this is your girl Sweet Candy. I'm here to show you a quick haul. I've ordered some brushes from Qivange. I think that's how you pronounce it. It came in this cute clutch. I think this is really cute. It's a 15 brush set that I ordered from Amazon. And in it you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different eye brushes, as well as the lip brushes in here. And 6 face brushes. These are the white and gold set. They have other colors as well. They have purple and gold, which I might order the purple and gold set for myself. And they also have black and gold. I didn't pay any more than no more than $12 for this set. I will link the link to it in the description box. And I also ordered another set of brushes. These I may keep for myself or I may use for my kid. I don't know just yet. Is it AMMIY? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. It's the next set of brushes that I gotta show you guys. And it comes packaged like this. I like this right here. It snaps open.
Oh, wow, turn it up. Turn it.
And then it's this whole set right here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 brushes in this set. Oh, they're really soft. They got good reviews on Amazon. Again, I probably paid no more than $10 or $12, maybe $13 for this set as well. Let me know if you want me to do a review on these brushes. I'll at least try them out and see how I like them. But I just wanted to show you that quick haul. The little noise you heard in the background was my 4-year-old. She gets so excited when she sees different things, especially when I do my makeup. Don't forget to press subscribe and click the bell so you will be notified when I make new videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.